Tires aren't supposed to go that way. Tires are not supposed to go that way. Oh. Fud. And and so yesterday we continued the trail and we left without him. Well, he went with us. We left the Jeep there. And now we're going back to get it. Unfortunately, yesterday was like 9 degrees. And today, it's a blizzard. How much fun is that?
So, this guy, down. Gotta get him out. Got SS Lila up front. Get us going. Gonna go down the hill backwards. Is the plan. My Jeep has a holdback. Here's a picture of the carnage for you. Just broke that knuckle clean off. And then we have another 4-door JK here, Rubicon, in the back as a final holdback, and hopefully this thing goes smooth.
The Jeep keeps on turning like every couple of feet. So we've gone 500 meters in 3.5 hours. We have another 1.2 kilometers to go.
The other IRA terrorist was used, but what do you think of winter wheeling?
Oh, it's awesome fun.
Isn't it great?
Aren't we glad we all came back out the whole week after we were out wheeling to bring back the last soldier?
What do you think it is? Minus 25?
Yeah, minus 25.
Something like that?
Beautiful.
Good night? Awesome.
Yeah, we're
winter wheeling.
Oh.
Way to go, eh?
Yes.
It's the way to do it. We're out.
We're out.
Awesome. In one piece.